What's up guys, it's your boy Krish to Crawl back at it with another video, and today I would like to discuss with you the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. So basically this shoe has the Travis Scott emoji in the back. It has white lettering on the medial side. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but let's see. It has the Cactus Jack branding on here, right? And then it also has the most notable feature is the reverse swoosh. So this shoe features a variety of things such as a Velcro strap, and it has a satin pocket on the inside, if you can see that, and it's really good for putting stuff. And this shoe retails for $175, and the resale market is $1,000, $1,000 to $1,300, and the shoe comes in a brown box compared to black box. Okay, so if you can see the difference, let me just try to show. So this is the two differences between the boxes, and it's pretty cool that Nike did something special for this release, as usually it's just the black box. So this shoe is really special as it's my first shoe that I won from Nike snkrs app, as I've been trying to do for about like a year and a half to 2 years, and probably like I started at around the Nike Off-White 10 collection and never got any of them. So I'm really fortunate to get these. I've been eyeing them since the Super Bowl, basically, because apparently there was going to be a surprise drop on these shoes, but then they didn't come out. So then but I saw Adam Levine wear it on the halftime show, and that was pretty cool. It was probably the highlight of the entire Super Bowl because it was a pretty boring game this year. But yeah, this is Krish, and I would like you to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. I want to get to 1 million subscribers by the end of the year, okay? And then basically, yeah, that's a achievable goal, you know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.